Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Coachella inspired makeup look and I'm wearing it right now. So I hope that you guys are as excited about this video as I am because I got a bunch of cool Coachella type makeup products that I thought would be so fun to test out, and I came up with this look for you guys. I might do one other look, but like a totally different color scheme and stuff like that. So if you are interested in seeing another Coachella makeup tutorial, please let me know and I will do one for my next video. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial now. I already have my foundation on and I did my brows, so for bronzer I'm going to use the Haleigh Pure Bronzer in the color Sombra. This actually is not a bronzer, it's a contour powder. I'm going to use an angled brush for this. So I'm just going around the angles of my face where I want to look snatched. And since I am going to go all out for this makeup look, I'm also going to contour my nose. I really like this Laura Mercier angled eyeshadow brush to contour my nose because it's very dense, but it's small, and so it really just gets the contours of my nose perfectly. So after contour, I'm going to use blush. This is the NARS blush in Orgasm, and this blush is perfect for Coachella because it is the perfect shade of pink, and it also has a ton of gold glitter infused into here, so it's gonna just give you that really pretty bronze glowing goddess look that we're going for. And I'm gonna use this little e.l.f. duo fiber brush to apply it because I just find that this brush doesn't apply blush too heavily. It just gives you the perfect amount, and I'm just starting on the apples of my cheekbones and then working back towards my temples. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlight in Lunch Money, and I got this at Ulta recently because they finally started carrying ColourPop in my Ulta, and this stuff is so cool. It's like really soft. Like, I don't remember if you guys remember this, some of you might. Back in the day when I first started my YouTube channel, the Maybelline Dream Bouncy blushes came out, and they're kind of like have like a bouncy, like smushy texture to them, and this is totally reminding me of that right now. So I'm going to use my finger to apply this because I find that that is the best way to use this product, and I'm just going to go on my cheekbones with this. This color is just perfect too. It's like the perfect champagne color. And I'm also going to put some down the center of my nose and like on the tip of my nose so I can really get that highlight going, and then on my Cupid's bow and under my brows on the brow bone. I'm going to move on to eyes now, and I'm going to start out by using this CYO metallic eye stick in the color Sweeping Statement, and I'm going to put this on my lids, and this is a really pretty champagne sparkly color, and this is just going to be a good base to start off with. I'm only doing this on my lids though because I don't really want this in my crease or anything. And then I'm going to use the CYO metallic eyeshadow Crush on Metal in College Crush, and it's just a really pretty gold color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my water here and I'm going to dump like a tiny bit into my hand, and normally I would use the spray bottle, but I don't have one near me. And I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush and just dip the brush in the water, and I find that this just really makes the look 10 times more intense when you're using a metallic shadow like this. So I'm going to just put this on my lid. Oh yes. Yes, girl. Oh my god, this is amazing. Next, I'm going to go into my Morphe palette. So this is the 35 OS palette. I think in the crease, I'm going to use this color down in the corner. It's almost like a rust color. That's the best way I can describe it. And I just think this would look perfect because it's not too orange and it's not too red. It's like the perfect in between. I usually don't use shimmery colors in my crease, but for Coachella I think you can because it just doesn't matter. Like, I just feel like the glittery the better, or the more glittery the better when you're at Coachella. So I'm very lightly blending this into my crease. And I'm also kind of like dragging it onto the outer corner. This is going to require a lot of blending, guys, so just bear with me. Alright, now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to take that same color that I put in my crease and I'm going to put this under on my lower lash line. And I'm going to do a pretty thin line on my upper lash line. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to use some Spackle makeup primer, which I wouldn't really suggest. I would really suggest the NYX glitter glue, but I don't have any of that, so we're just gonna use this. It works the same. I tried it out before the tutorial. I'm going to put some right here and right here, so basically where you put your highlight. I'm going to take these gold and silver star sparkles. I'm going to get some on my finger and I'm just going to dab it on to where I put the primer. How cool does that look? I'm making a complete mess and this stuff is going everywhere, but it's okay. It's so worth it. Okay, I'm obsessed. This looks so cool. I'm gonna go back to my eyes again and I'm gonna use a black liner and I'm gonna line my upper lash line, like the inside, the tight line where your skin is on the inside of your eye. And this is just gonna help intensify the look. Sorry, it's hard to talk while doing this. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on the lower lash line on the inside. I'm gonna put on some false lashes. You don't have to do this, but I want to. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry so I can put on mascara, I'm going to do my lip. I'm using this Milani All Natural lip liner and just lining my lips with it. Okay, so I'm going to use Candy K liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. I just think it goes really well with this look. I was going to do Posy K, but I think it's too pink. Oh my god, you guys, I'm obsessed with this look. I'm going to apply a tiny bit of gloss in the center of my lips. Okay, now time for mascara. Don't forget the bottom lashes either. Oh my god, you guys, this look is so cool. I love it. Let me just take down my hair. This is like second day hair from my graduation photo shoot yesterday. So it's not the best, but we're working with it. Alright guys, that was the tutorial. I hope that you liked it. I had so much fun filming it. I love doing makeup tutorials. They just make me feel so creative, and Coachella is just such a cool thing, and I always love looking at the pictures on Instagram, and I'm so excited for Coachella this year because people always create the coolest makeup looks, the coolest outfits, and I just cannot wait. If you're excited for Coachella, comment down below and tell me, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Bye!